For those who wonder where Milo's been, he's waiting to go for a ride. But right now I'm not going for a ride. I need to take off these side steps and replace them with something a bit sturdier. She does seem to have a lot more clearance now with the side step off. This is very lightweight. This is no protection at all. You can see it's had some damage in the past. Minor damage. But this is so lightweight. Apart from stones kicked up by the tires, it's no protection at all. So this weighs about 5 kilo, 4 kilo, 5 kilo. This is 16 kilos. This is steel. But first, before I put this up, I'm going to enter these bolts into the holes where they were so that no water can go in. Dirk, I don't know what kind of tools you were using, but that was not 16 minutes, 15 minutes. That makes a huge difference. With the side steps it was 360 millimeters. Now the bottom pipe is 400 millimeters, this one is 430. But if you work from the bottom pipe is 400 millimeters, so that's about another 40 millimeters. What's that? 1 3/4 inch of lift of ground clearance extra. Now the other side. So now it's doing the same on this side. I remove the side step. The side step's bolted onto the body, not onto the chassis. So after removing it, I replaced the bolts into the holes in the bodywork to make sure that water doesn't go in and cause problems. And then I installed the rock sliders directly onto the chassis. The batteries on my GoPro, unfortunately at this stage, died. I didn't realize it, so I lost what I thought was the rest of the recording. So anyways, after this I test out the FJ on F-Trail. See you on the next one. Cheers.